Now students, I would like to tell you before solving the examples that you have to go through the tenses once again. We had already learned all 12 kinds of tenses earlier, and you should go through these tenses once again because it is very compulsory to learn the tenses and changes of tenses in ones to another before learning to change the narration. Okay, now let's start with the example. Riya said Geeta, comma, inverted comma, I started a dance class. So when we change, first of all, first step that we have to identify subject, reporting verb and object in reported speech. So here Riya is the subject, said is the reported verb and Geeta is object. Then comma, inverted comma, I is our first person and sentence is given in simple past tense. I started a dance class. Okay. So how do we change it? First of all, we had already identified the subject, reported verb and object in this sentence. So as we learn, said will remain same because when two infinitive come along with said, it will convert into told. But if said is come alone, so it will remain unchanged. So said will remain unchanged. Then second step is how to change tenses. Here we can find that simple past tense verb is given here, started. So it will change into past perfect tense. Okay. So it will change into had started. Started verb will change into had started. Okay. So sentence will be like this. Riya said Geeta that she had started a dance class. Now see the next example. They said, comma, inverted comma, we will plan a picnic tomorrow. See here, first step is our identified. Okay. In our subject is they and said is the reporting verb. Here we don't have any object. Then comma, inverted comma, we is our first person and sentence is given in simple future tense. Okay. Reported verb said will remain same. It will not change. So sentence will be they said that. Okay, comma, inverted comma will remove and in place of that we will apply that. Then changes of pronoun. Third step. Here we have the pronoun first person we. So we will change into they according to subject. Then changes of tenses. It is given in simple future tense. So will convert into would. Okay. Now the last one is changes of time words. Tomorrow will change into next day. So what will be the sense in indirect speech? They said that they would plan a picnic next day. In this way we will change the sentence. Once again you should see this sentence. Our actual sentence in direct speech is they said, comma, inverted comma, we will plan a picnic tomorrow. Now we will solve it according to 6 steps. First step, we have to identify subject, object and reported verb in this sentence. So subject is they, reported verb is said. No object is given here. So said will remain when changed. It will remain same. Comma, inverted comma will remove. In place of it, we will apply that. Okay. And the person is given we. So according to subject, we will change into they. And sentence is given in simple future tense. So simple future tense verb will convert into would. Okay students, so our sentence will be in indirect speech like they said that they would plan a picnic next day. Okay, let's see another example. The teacher said to the students, comma, inverted comma, the sun rises in the east. Now let's start solving it. First of all, we have to recognize subject, reporting verb and object in the sentence. So identify subject, the teacher is the subject, said to is our reporting verb and students is object. Comma, inverted comma. So we will remove comma, inverted comma, in place of it we will apply the conjunction that. Then our reporting verb is the sun rises in the east. It is given in simple present tense, but this is the sentence given as a universal truth. So no changes will come here. So we have to change here in this like change the reported verb said to into told. The teacher told the students that the sun rises in the east. Here is the final sentence. The teacher told the students that the sun rises in the east. Now see another example. He says to me, I am playing. See this Identify first of all subject, reported verb and object. Now let us see the sixth step. First of all, we have to identify subject, reported verb and object in this sentence. Subject is he, reported verb is said to, and me is the object. Here we have inverted comma. We will replace the inverted comma with that conjunction. Then here I is the first person and the sentence is given in present continuous tense. So according to rules of changing, said to will convert into tells. Then comma inverted comma replace with that conjunction. So sentence will be like he tells me that. Okay. Then changes of pronoun. I will change according to he. So I will change into he like this. So sentence, final sentence in the indirect sentence is he tells me that he is playing. I think you got it. And if you have any query or doubt, you can write in comment section. Share this video with your friends. And you should see the previous lectures of tenses once again, so it will be helpful for you. In next lecture, we will continue with some sentences. According to tenses, how could we change narrations direct to indirect? Thank you.